The website I'm about to share with you will pay you $3,000 on a monthly basis. I am super excited to share this opportunity with you. In other words, you'll be testing digital products to see how it works, and then you give them your feedback and they pay you. All this you will do from the comfort of your bedroom. These are trusted websites that people are not too conversant with. That is to tell you that you have 90%, if not 99% chances of getting offer on this website. You can sign up on this website from anywhere across the globe. I've heard people from my country complain saying that most of these websites do not work for them. But here you will see that Nigerians are eligible on this website I'm about to share with you. So if this sounds interesting to you, I urge you to pay rapt attention to this video. Do not skip any part of this video because you may be losing some vital information on how you can make money from this website. And then you come back to say that it does not work. I'll be taking you step by step on the requirements needed for you to become a good tester on this website. Now, if you're just coming across my video for the first time, my name is Chidi and I welcome you to the Wealthy Mindset with Chidi. On this channel, all I share is information on how you can make money on the online space. So like this video and also join the Wealthy Mindset family by subscribing to this channel so we can constantly bring you information on how you can make money online legitimately. Now, this method of making money online is another method that people do not really know. People are not really aware of it because it is not like the normal survey kind of job or watching videos online and making money and stuffs like that. Imagine you sitting in your bedroom and you receive an email saying that you should test run an app to know how it works. To me, it is a lazy way of making money online. One of the websites I'm about to even share with you will pay you in pounds just for testing apps online. I have carefully done my research and I've been able to come up with 7 websites where you can apply to become a tester. But before I bring you the websites, let me quickly inform you that as a good tester, the goal is to ensure that the application meets the user need. You will be able to determine whether it is up to your standard in terms of usability, quality, and performance. So you will need a phone, a computer, or a laptop with a good internet connection before you can apply on this website. Some of the advantages of becoming a tester is that you will become a key player in the field of that app or website. You get to know the complete functionalities and how the product is being developed, and you will be compensated excellently. So this is for you if you are a student looking for a side hustle, or a stay-at-home parent, or someone who is looking for a side income to supplement his or her current paycheck. So this can perfectly work for you. On the review I have here, the said person made $60 in less than 2 hours just for testing apps. So guys, you can see that this is an amazing way of making money on the online space. Very easy and simple. You don't need to bother yourself that much before you can earn money on this website. So the first on my list is a website that pays you to test apps. In addition to testing websites for money, they are present in over 150 countries and has over 350,000 testers around the world. Here on their websites, each testers likely receive 5 opportunities in a month via email, and they pay $10 for each test you do, and you can even earn more. Their payment method is via PayPal. So I'll be adding the link to how you can create a successful PayPal account below the description box. That video will help you get a working PayPal account, irrespective of wherever you're from, any country that you are. So make sure you watch that video to know how you can create this PayPal account, whether you are in Nigeria or anywhere. You need an email address to get started on this website. All you need to do is to log on to betatesting.com and get started. The second website for testing is called Userlytics. On Userlytics, not only do you get paid to test app, you also learn something new every time. On this website, you can earn from $5 to $90 for each test you upload successfully. So you can see that this website pays well. So to work on this platform, you need a computer or a tablet or an Android that has a Chrome browser. And you can also download the app on Play Store or Apple Store. To sign up here, you must be 16 years and above, and you also need an email to register. The next website is called Ping Pong. This website pays in pounds. They pay anything from 10 to 100 pounds for each test done. Now, what are the requirements to become a tester on this platform? Here, you must have a computer or a laptop, so they do not accept phones. You must have a stable internet connection for you to work on this platform. And you'll be testing for top brands like Nestle and Skyscanner and the rest of them. To sign up here, you need to fill the form provided and then your account is created. The fourth website is called tests.io. This website is another site that pays you for testing apps. Here you will have the opportunity of testing latest apps from leading companies. To sign up on this platform, just click on the sign up link here. You fill your email address. After you are approved, then you get on board through their library for testing resources. The fifth website is called UserFeel. On this website, you become a tester of websites and apps. You will earn $3 to $30 per test. Most of the tests done here are 20-minute tests that will earn you $10. On this website, you will have to go through their training video to know how they operate or how they work. They pay their tester every week. The sixth website is called UserBrain. UserBrain is another platform where you can get paid for testing websites. On this website, you'll be asked to record a qualification test. But before that, you'll be given a guide for you to know exactly how everything works. After then, you will get a feedback from them for you to know if there is any need for you to improve in your future tests. On this website, you will earn $5 for each 5 to 20 minutes video that is approved. And the last website is called UserPick. Here on this website, you must be able to speak English. You must understand English. You must have a Chrome browser. You must be 18 years of age for you to apply on this website. And you need a working PayPal account for you to receive your payment from this website. Here you will earn $10 for every 15 to 20 minutes test that you do. You will be guided on how everything works on this platform before you are tested to make sure you meet their standard. You can also apply from anywhere across the globe. So here, if you have any further question, you can click on Help Center for further guide. So guys, if you wish to apply on all the websites I've just shared in this video, at least it will increase your income. So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel so you will continue getting content from this channel. So until my next video, it is bye.